Welcome. Today we are going to talk about FX rate updates. Let's say that you have a report in USD currency and you need to transform to local currency values. In order to get the value without having to look manually for it, we will create a web connection on Excel. I have found this website to get the historical FX rate by year and month. I will copy the URL inside the Excel connection, and it will bring a few options to establish the link. In this case, we will choose the Table 1 and load the data. As you can see, the values are now in Excel, but before use them, we will need to modify them. We will just create a formula to see the right format of values. Now, anytime we want to get the latest values, we just need to update the connection only by refreshing the table. Let's suppose that we need the FX for our current year 2025. We will need to edit our connection URL and modify the value in the text for 2025. Now we will close and load the connection, and the values will be the right ones for the current year. After a few seconds, the table will update. That's all. Now we will have our reports always updated with the latest FX rate without having to manually look for the latest values. We will save time and gain efficiency. Thanks, and follow me for more tips.